Hello everyone. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands is an old famous rhyme. In today's stressful life, when we are sad, we must clap our hands and remove all toxins from our system by just taking out few minutes from our busy schedule and embrace good health. The gesture of clapping is used to express gratitude, appreciation, happiness and joy. It is one of the first few gestures a baby learns. Our human body has 340 acupressure points, out of which there are as many as 30 plus acupressure points in both palms. Our human body is very complex. Every organ is linked to each other. The palms have blood vessels and nerve endings. If you stimulate them, a lot of your health problems will be benefited. This is surprisingly true. Clapping has been proven to provide a lot of health benefits that most of us aren't aware of. So in this video, we will know the benefits of clapping therapy, the different types of clapping therapy, and how it has to be done. Now let's have a look at the benefits of clapping therapy. Clapping for 10 to 20 minutes in the morning keeps you fit and active. Clapping increases happy hormones in our body. It sends positive signals to our mind, which helps in preventing the state of depression. Clapping is very beneficial for heart health as it regulates blood pressure levels. As you clap, blood circulation gets improved in the entire body, which reduces the risk of numerous heart problems. Not just that, breathing problems also gets reduced with the help of clapping therapy. So it plays an important role in lung related problems like asthma. You can also get relief from gout by clapping. It is helpful for patients of low blood pressure. Clapping is an effective therapy for digestive disorders. To our utter surprise, clapping is proven to boost the immunity of our body by increasing the production of white cells in our body. Clapping is very beneficial for children as the regular practice of clapping can increase cognitive powers in children. This would sharpen their minds, enhance memory, improve concentration, and also better their handwriting with minimal spelling mistakes. If you're someone who frequently suffers from back pains, try this clapping therapy. It does work. Clapping likely reduces the severity of the pain, which would eventually help you lead a normal life. Half an hour of daily clapping helps those suffering from diabetes, arthritis, hypertension, depression, chronic headaches, common cold, insomnia, eye problems, and hair loss. As strange as it sounds, clapping can actually be beneficial in a lot of hair problems that we face in our day to day lives. It would stimulate the growth of hair cells to improve hair health. People living in air conditioned houses and working in offices who do not sweat at all should practice clapping therapy as it would help blood circulation in the body and cleanse it fully. Now let's have a look are the different types of clapping. The first type is hitting both palms and fingers with each other. This touches all the meridian points and it helps in stimulating the blood circulation throughout our body. The second type is clapping with fingertips. Fingertip has the meridian points which are connected to our eyes and nose. So, this type of clapping is beneficial for rhinitis, nosebleed, and sinus cold. The third type of clapping is clapping with putting palms together. Palm has the meridian points which are connected to our internal organs. So, this way of clapping strengthens the function of our internal organs and is also good to prevent diabetes. The fourth type of clapping is clapping with the back of our hands. It is good for health of waist, back and spine. If you usually have a backache or lumbar disc, you can try this way of clapping. Clapping with fist is the fifth type of clapping. This way is effective for headache and shoulder pain. Now let's see the clapping therapy method. While it is okay to clap just like that, you must try this clapping therapy to avail some additional benefits. You can apply some mustard oil or coconut oil or a concoction of both on the palms, which would get absorbed by your body. Keep your palms straight and clap them against each other in a way that the palm and fingertips all should touch each other if you're practicing the first type of clapping. You can practice each type of clapping 20 times at least. It is advised to perform this therapy in morning hours to receive maximal benefits. However, you can do this as per your comfort and at any time in any position. Wishing you a healthy life forever.